because I think it just kind of like gets in people's like mind that they're just buying courses, and then I think even Gary talks about that, like they're kind of hoping on this course or mastermind that I guess will make them a lot of money.
You know why quick results courses sell? You're gonna do economics, right? You want to do economics, so you gotta understand this. Read Adam Smith,
Okay.
Wealth of Nations. Things sell in economics, right? Because there is a demand for it. People have a large demand for quick fixes. Hey, 6-minute abs. Okay. 30 days to a millionaire. Okay. Rich with real estate, no cash, no nothing. Okay. All these things sell because there is a demand for it. All these people are doing in a way is just filling up a demand. And sometimes the thing is, the way I see it is, if you buy a course with a credit card, a lot of these courses have, for example, like a money back guarantee or whatever, you're gonna get your money back. I don't even have a course. I'm kind of more like leaning into the whole Gary Vee aspect of having a course, but I'll probably make a course eventually, just like have everything like in one place. But the idea is that all these things exist because there's someone out there that actually wants that. That's all it is. Anything that exists out there is because there's some form of demand for it. And sometimes it's very ugly, nasty things.
You've got to stop.